Terrible news. Terrible news. And figured I was low on oil.
Lower than you thought?
No,
or
it's got lots of oil in it, and it's just not moving at all now. So it's not even making a noise when you fucking the guy. So broken off the.
Is it electric over hydraulic or?
No, it's PQ off the transmission. So and you can hear the air.
Sounds like you're going to London Pump and Supply. Shouldn't be too bad. $500, I bet they'll rebuild it.
Oh shit, my hair, that was a waste of time. Oh, fucking Peter Schmidt. Peter Schmidt. Fucking tune. Check this out. Grumman sister. It's a short one. It says it's for sale soon. It's only got 860,000 kilometers on it, no big deal. Oh, let's do it, Chooch. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, he's got the cameras up the sides and everything. Oh, really, it's almost like a copy done. Alright, I apologize. I apologize I copied so bad, but I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, this is the battery that I took out of the truck, so. But, oh man, I can't even be for certain. What did I do with that battery? Yeah, I don't know, boys. I'm not sure. We might be just, beating a horse's dink, you know what I mean? Let's see what happens. Oh, bird shit right on my door handle, that was nice. Not a chance. Oh, you fucking cunt. Oh, you fucking cunt. You cutting me. Oh, fantastic news, boys. Crawdad took that truck back. No more garbagey truck. We'll drive this over there. We'll get the, come back, we'll get the skid steer. And it'll be awesome, boys. It'll be so awesome. Oh, Crawdad took that truck back. He really did. Look at the yard from this angle. Right in the middle of town. Holy saffron. That's what they get. Tried to get along, keep the yard nice and clean. Only had a couple jumps. Nothing but problems. Filled the yard full of junk, everything's cool. Hey, I apologize. You can put no trespassing signs up here too. Somebody might be under the impression that you're allowed to trespass over here. That'd be terribly unfortunate, wouldn't it?
Well, now you got a few bucks to put towards your pump.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be enough.
Likely. Let's see if this funker will start. Got batteries coming. Brand new batteries. They're just not in it yet. Yeah. Right on it. Oh yeah. It'll start. You can tell just by where the gauge is, you know what I mean? Oh, my batteries. How much is that? $423. You bastard. Oh, look at these things. They're everywhere and they bite.